Alright everyone, this is going to be a quick video because it's basically just an ad or this is for sale and it's a sticker book full of stickers and I haven't decided entirely how I'm going to sell it, and a bunch of Simply Gilded washi that isn't opened. And it's Petunia Rose on Instagram if you have Instagram. I know some folks don't. So if you don't have Instagram, I'll try to sort it out as much as I can here. But very, very few of these are unwrapped. I bought all of this and then my life got significantly crazed and I couldn't, I just did not take the time to use it as much. So a bunch of washi, and then I'm just going to flip through this quickly and you can see. So in the front it's a grab bag if you want to get the grab bag by itself. I need to go in and do prices, but grab bag just means it's like a single page and there's no match. And then aside from that, like, it looks like it matches kind of, but they're a little different. And then grab bag 2 means it does come with 2 matching pages. So like 1, 2, 1, 2, there's 2 here, 1, 2, that's actually 2.5. So you get the idea. And then this is again 2 full pages that would fit like an A5. And these are absolutely beautiful. I just need to weed them out. And I thought about selling, like numbering the pages and then selling one at a time, or selling all of the 2 double pages, and then these are 3. Selling, there's a page in the middle you can't see, but this was a lot of time to sort out. Then so these are 3 pagers, and then 4 pagers, and these kits are like, if you know sticker kits and you're watching this video, you probably know sticker kits. They're not cheap. So, but like, this is gorgeous. I can't keep them all. I can't keep them all. It's absolutely stunning though. I love so many of these. I mean, that's stunning. I bought all these for a reason, right? So I did love them and I do like them. I feel like I will not get to them. I will not get to all of them to do them justice. So I figured, you know what, I'll put them all in a book, and now we get into the 5-page ones. So 5 full sticker sheets in this section. I won't get around to using all of these. And then 6 pages. So I doubled, if it's 6, I think I put 2, 2, 2, so you could really see those. So 2, 2, 2, and this is like a blueberry muffin type vibe theme from Planning World. Yeah, blueberry, like loaf cake. It's so pretty. More Planning World, vanilla paper, fall theme, more fall theme, and dash of sun, fall. And then these sets that are still in sleeves, never opened. And from Simply Gilded, which her stuff is amazing. Sweet Bella XOXO, love those. Some more fall sticker bloom, fall candles. The Giving Girl, absolutely stunning. And then these are partials. This is just a page full of, there's maybe like 1 sticker missing. So but before I think of a price, knowing how many are in here, I'll just say, if like maybe if you recommend a price, or say you'll give a price that is in my head what I actually think like the value is, if you comment and you're interested, then I will message you directly and we can exchange information and I'll ship it. But there's like because it'll be so much easier for me than taking, oh, you know, page 10, I'll take that one. And I love everybody that joins me here, but I don't have the time. I am in school full time. I have a full-time job and a family. I can't. I wish it was easier to ship from home, but it's not. All of that being said, if you're interested in all of it, or like all the 4s or all the 5s or something, let me know. And I'll see if I can just do a flip on Instagram. But that's all this video was just to say, I have all of this for sale. No one's biting on Facebook Marketplace, but this is a very special community, and I don't imagine everybody on Marketplace is a planner person. But yeah, and also that includes the cover. So I won't take everything out and then ship it. You can also have the sticker book, and it's just the cutest little thing. I love elephants. Oh, so sweet. Yeah. So with that, I'll say I hope I hear from you. If you're interested, I would really love for these to go to a good home. I would love for them to bring someone joy when they're used. And I hope that's you. So leave a message and let me know if you have an offer. Happy to ship them to you in US and outside if it's like feasible and you're willing to pay for international shipping. Happy to help. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.